Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create and call a custom prompt in Power Automate. Before that, let's understand what a custom prompt is in Power Automate AI Hub. A custom prompt in Power Automate AI Hub is a tailored instruction or set of instructions you provide to an AI model to get specific, desired responses or actions. Instead of relying on general or predefined prompts, a custom prompt allows you to guide the AI's behavior more precisely, ensuring it performs tasks or generates content that meets your particular needs. This is especially useful for automating complex workflows or generating customized outputs in your automation processes. There could be many business scenarios where you need to create a custom prompt to automate your business AI-driven. Here, I'll show the use case for how we can automate the new candidate hiring process through the use of AI. So, let's get started. I believe you'll enjoy this demo. Here I'll show my already created new candidate hiring custom prompt. Right from how to create to how to call from a flow. Log into your Power Automate Flow portal, https://make.powerautomate.com. From the left side pane, click on the AI Hub link if you don't see it. You'll get it from the More option. You can pin it for your ease of access. I can see all my already created prompts in my prompts library. I am opening my new candidate custom prompt, which I already created. And, meanwhile, in another tab, I am opening the AI Hub link. My new candidate hiring custom prompt opens. You can read out what I have written in the prompt box. Imagine you're an HR recruiter, and you need to evaluate the resume in the var candidate resume text variable against the job description in the var new job description variable. Score the candidate from 1 to 5, where 5 represents a perfect match and 1 indicates a lack of fit. Provide a bullet point list of the qualifications and candidate meets and another list of what they don't meet. Additionally, create 2 more lists, one with the candidate's top strengths and another with their weaknesses. Click on the Test Prompt button to test your prompt. You'll see your prompt result in the prompt response box. To create a variable, click on the Add Input icon from the Input section. Your prompt will be named automatically. However, you can rename it. You can create a new prompt by clicking on the AI Hub, then Prompts. Then clicking on the Create Text with GPT using a prompt menu. Click on the Create Text with GPT using a prompt. Your prompt will be named automatically with the date time. You can rename it as per your needs. I am renaming my prompt. There are various prompt templates available. You can explore those. And see how these work. I am selecting various prompt templates to see how these work. Basically, you need to enter your prompt text in the prompt box as per your business needs. See how a new variable can be created. Finally, after creating and testing your prompt, you need to save it. Please have a look at the screen to see what I am doing here. Let's come back to the demo. This is my demo custom prompt for the new candidate hiring process. To test this prompt from Power Automate Cloudflow, I need a candidate hiring custom list in my SharePoint online site as prerequisites. This is my candidate hiring custom list where I have created two columns: job description text and candidate resume text with multi-line text data type. Once I enter a requirement detail here, my flow should trigger. Next, let's move on to the flow part. This is my automated cloud flow, which will call the candidate hiring custom prompt. I am passing my site URL and list name in the when an item is created SharePoint online trigger. Next, I have added an action, create text with GPT using a prompt, where map your candidate resume text and new job description variable with your corresponding column in candidate hiring list. Select the job description text and candidate resume text columns from the candidate hiring list and map them to the corresponding prompt variable. See how you can find the create text with GPT using a prompt action. Please have a look at the screen to see what I am doing here. Next, add the start and wait for an approval action. Select the approver type as approve/reject. Everyone must approve. In the title, enter something like AI-generated content needs your approval. In the assign to, type your email ID. Add a condition control where pass a condition outcome is equal to approve. Outcome comes from the output of start and wait for an approval action. In the yes part, add a send an email v2 action wherein the to enter your email ID. In the subject, enter the subject of your automated email. In the body, pass the text that comes from the output of the create text with GPT using a prompt action. That's it. Now save your flow. Now, we need to test this custom prompt and flow. Add a new requirement detail to the candidate hiring list. Enter the job title, job description, and resume text. Then save it. This is my already saved sample data, which I already tested. After a few seconds, your flow will be triggered. Then, you'll get an approval task in 3 places: Outlook email, Microsoft Teams, and Power Automate Flow Approval section for the review of the prompt-generated output. You can complete this task from any of these places. Already, I have approved this task, as you can see here. Once the approver has approved the AI prompt-based generated text, the concerned person will get an email about the resume shortlisting with a recommendation rank for the job. You can see the demo example of how I got this automated email. For the given Power Automate job description and candidate resume text. That's it done. You can try this demo with your use case. You'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching this demo. I hope it helped you and you liked it. If you would like to appreciate my effort, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.